Welcome to Mr. K's Club Travel, guys. Mr. K's Club Travel, guys. We went out today. We are actually on a Kuala Lumpur night street market, guys. Kuala Lumpur night street market, guys. Right. Hello. Do you sell power banks here?
Yes, sir.
Do you take cards?
Cash only. Any money, dollar, pound, euro?
Nothing, my man. Nothing.
Okay, thank you.
But you don't have
No?
power bank anyway. Do you have power bank?
They do it,
Power
but
bank have. Only cash sell.
only cash.
Okay, I have 50 ringgit, 80, 120, different quality, different.
50
different
ringgit
price.
I have. Give me 50 ringgit.
Okay, 1 minute.
Jack, you've got 50 ringgit.
Yes.
50 ringgit have.
Okay, give me.
Terima kasih.
Power bank. Very good one. Purple color.
Check.
One iPhone,
Two.
Type-C micro.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's good. I think we have the same one at home.
Right.
Yeah, this one also have
But
power.
now it doesn't
100
have power.
power already
this
have.
one. You
Yeah.
have already power.
Yeah, already have power this one. You check? You have phone?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
All right. Does it got power also?
Yeah, have power.
Okay, charge. Let me see.
It's 50 ringgit.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, check, bro.
Okay.
Give me phone. Let's try this one.
Let it come
Oh, it's
inside.
there? Allah Barosha. Okay, all right.
All right. Thank you. Okay. You saw that now, ne?
Bro, you charger this. Charger power bank.
All right. Put it in your pocket.
Okay, sama-sama terima kasih.
Sama-sama. Terima kasih. Oh. Thank you. How are you? Okay. Kanya kawan nama video saya mau dari mana? Jangan kal. It's on now. Banyak kau taste tamar. Babe, ushile jota mana twice. Open that thing we shilling it.
I really wanted it.
But you said to me you don't want you end up give upping. Huh? Yeah, you see, not saying say. Ngara ka go home, but not saying. Alright guys, I'm looking for a place where I can buy food with my card. No, Jack, we're not in a hurry, my boy. Okay, but why you say I must go?
There is a lamb chop.
There's a lamb chop here, guys. Yeah, but they're showing it's as if it's a lamb chop, but you don't know. You'll never know. And this one, I don't know what it is, but it's something else. Yay! Crab.
本当にお金使いたくないと思う。
It's just gone.
本当に。
So that's how
Nice.
it's supposed to look. So yeah.
See, they're putting some cheese, you see.
ねえねえねえねえ。これ電話2台。電話。あ、1台。You got phone. Wow, 1台。Oh my god.
If it's a flip.
Oh my god.
The Z phone.
Are you celebrity?
No. No.
So this is cheese corn, guys. And this is how it's supposed to be looking like.
Who's the meeting?
Where are you from?
From South Africa, Cape Town.
Oh,
どこどこ
Yeah, from Cape Town.
Cape Town, South Africa.
Cape Town.
サウスアフリカ。
Yes.
ケープタウン。
Cape Town, the most beautiful place.
I don't know ケープタウン。
It's a beautiful place. Yo.
Really?
Ah,
Really?
you must go to Cape Town.
なんで来たんだよ。
Let me show you Cape Town.